Hello, this is Michael Jameson, and in this tutorial, we're going to be installing React and Node. First, we must install Node. You need to go to this website called nodejs.org. Just go ahead and type that in Google. Go ahead and download the LTS. I already have it installed, but you will have a window of something like this. And just go ahead and click continue for most of this stuff. And it'll install you a fresh copy of Node. So once you have Node installed, go ahead and go into the terminal here. You can also find it with Mac using cmd space and typing terminal like that. So now we can go ahead and check if we have Node by using node-v, and we can see that it's successfully installed. If it doesn't say anything, or if it says we can't find this command, you most likely did not install it correctly, and you're going to have to troubleshoot. But let's begin. If it did install correctly, we're just going to go into our desktop using cd desktop. Then we're going to go ahead and create a new folder where we're going to place our React app. So we'll just call it React app for now. So then now let's go into that React app. So we're going to go ahead and start creating. So first off, we're going to go ahead and use something called npm, Node Package Manager, which comes with Node. So npm, we can install a command called create React app. And that's going to do exactly what it says it does. It's going to literally create a React app. But in order to execute it, we're going to go ahead and use something that also comes with Node, npx, Node Package Execute. So now we're going to go ahead and execute this command called create React app. So execute this command called create React app, and we're going to call it, this is going to be the name of the React app. So we'll just make this a little bigger. So this will be the name of React app. So you can name this essentially whatever you want. And I will name it Michael React. And this command is going to take a little while, but essentially what it's going to be doing is creating everything you need to get started with the React app. All right. After it's finished downloading, it'll give you a whole nother list of commands in order to get started. You will also see that it started on a local server, which means a server on your computer. So the first commands that you should start are right here. We suggest that you begin by typing cd michael react npm start. So that was the name of our React app, and this is how we actually start up the local server. So we can see that here. That's all into our new folder here. We could also see it by looking inside the folder itself. So I had to open it on another screen, but this is the folder right here. So let's go ahead and follow those directions and see what happens. So now I'm going into that new React app, and I'm going to go ahead and npm start, which is exactly these commands here. So that's going to go ahead and open up my browser and start the React app. So this is the React app that we created with those commands. And you could also see that it is started on this port number in localhost. So you could just simply copy it and put it into a browser, and it'll do the same thing. So now, just as a test, you can go ahead and open up something, your favorite code editor. Here we're going to be using Visual Studio Code. We're going to open up our code. And here is the folder of all of the items that are given to you by just create React app. So now we could go and alter this text, and it will automatically update what you see here. And that's it for now for installing React app and getting it to run.